What would you think if I told you that with just $20 you could start a profitable business from home? It probably sounds crazy, but it's not. In fact, there are real ways to do it, and today I'm going to show you 20 manufacturing ideas you can start right now without needing big investments. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like. Idea number 1. Pet toys. If there's a profitable market, it's the pet industry. That's why making toys for dogs or cats, like tough ropes or catnip stuffed plushies, is a simple and affordable way to start a business. The materials are accessible and you don't need a big investment to get going. Many pet owners look for safe, eco-friendly products with a personal touch. Unique colors, fun shapes, or their pet's name. And handmade products stand out over mass-produced ones. As your business grows, you can add beds, collars, or personalized accessories. Sell at fairs, local stores, or online, and collaborate with shelters or animal-focused content creators to gain visibility. You can even create monthly boxes with new toys for steady income. If you like this idea, wait until you see the next one, because it definitely brings in money. Idea number 2. Natural cosmetics. More and more people are allergic to conventional cosmetics, and they're looking for something different. That's where you come in. Making balms, creams, or hair products using natural ingredients like shea butter, essential oils, or beeswax is a simple idea with a bright future. With easy recipes and low investment, you can offer products that care for the skin. No chemicals, no complications. And the best part, natural is trendier than ever. People want clean, honest, lovingly made options. These products sell well in small formats, with great margins and eye-catching designs. Start at fairs, on social media, or in local shops. And as your brand grows, go for pro packaging, gift sets, subscriptions, or partnerships with spas. The possibilities are endless. If you think this is a good idea, you're going to love the next one. Idea number 3. Handmade jewelry. If you enjoy creating with your hands, making necklaces, bracelets, or earrings can be a beautiful way to express yourself and make money. With pliers, wire, or recycled materials, you can design unique pieces that tell a story. Handmade jewelry has strong demand, and you can start with very little. You just need lots of creativity. You can stand out by using sustainable materials or cultural touches that resonate with people. Start by sharing your work on social media with well-staged photos. Then move on to silver, natural stones, or personalized pieces. You could even teach others and grow your business without losing your style. The next business idea has always worked for people looking to invest. Idea number 4, custom t-shirts. Printing t-shirts with your own designs is an idea that never fails. With a heat press or a screen printing kit, you can start from home and have full control over your business. T-shirts are perfect for expressing ideas, supporting causes, or just dressing with style. If you handle the whole process, you earn more and can play with unique designs, from local phrases to cultural references that people relate to. To grow, focus on a niche. Fans of a show, funny quotes, or topics from your city. Then expand to hoodies, caps, or bags. Open your own online store and use social media to get noticed. You can also offer your services for events, companies, or even do custom orders. It's a creative business with tons of potential. Idea number 5, bamboo products. Let's talk about a material that not only helps the planet, but can also help your wallet, and that's bamboo. It's easy to work with, durable, eco-friendly, and has a natural style that appeals to people looking for sustainable alternatives. It works great for products like toothbrushes, kitchen utensils, or decorative items. With a low investment, you can start creating useful, everyday items, which makes it easier to have consistent sales. You can begin selling online or in eco-friendly stores, always highlighting how your products help protect the environment. And as your business grows, you could expand your catalog to include reusable straws, storage boxes, or even small furniture. The next idea is completely different, but I promise many people are making money with it. I'm talking about idea number 6, 3D printing. 3D printing is revolutionizing the way we create and do business. With a basic printer and accessible materials, you can start designing figures, jewelry, prototypes, or unique items for niches like gamers, collectors, or designers. It's an ideal opportunity for those wanting to innovate with personalized products without a large initial investment. Start with simple projects, focus on promotion, And as you grow, upgrade your equipment or offer custom services. You can also collaborate with companies needing prototypes or sell at events and conventions. The key is to let your creativity flow and take advantage of this growing market. Let's move on to the next idea, which I'll tell you right now is extremely easy. Idea number 7. Handmade soaps. Something essential in every shower is soap. So creating handmade soaps is a simple and creative way to start a business from home. With ingredients like lavender, honey, or activated charcoal, you can offer unique, natural, and personalized products. Perfect for skincare or gifting. The initial investment is low, and the market is growing, especially among people looking for vegan options, chemical-free solutions, or products for sensitive skin. You can start selling on social media or at local fairs and later take the leap. Launch your online store, build gift sets, or partner with local businesses. Every soap you make can reflect your style and tell a story. All you need is the drive to start. And if this idea seems simple and profitable to you, wait until you see the next one. Idea number 8. Natural cleaning products. If you're into eco-friendly living, making natural cleaning products could be a great option. With ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, or essential oils, you can create effective, planet-friendly solutions. More and more people are seeking alternatives that protect their health and the environment. You can also use reusable or biodegradable containers, which adds value and sets your brand apart. Start by selling on social media or to people you know, and emphasize the product's benefits. As you grow, offer refills, get eco certifications, and look for partnerships with shops or spaces that share your values. Idea number 9. Custom phone cases. Nowadays, lots of people want to give their phone a unique touch, and that's where you can shine. Designing custom phone cases is a creative and accessible way to start a business. With resin, paint, or stickers, you can make one-of-a-kind pieces with phrases, illustrations, or photos that reflect each person's style. This business works because phone cases are still one of the most popular accessories, and handmade ones have special value for those wanting something different. With just a few materials and lots of imagination, you can create designs with personality, just like the big brands, but with your personal touch. You can start selling on Instagram or at local fairs, where a good photo and the story behind the design make a big difference. Later, investing in tools like a UV printer can give your cases a more professional finish. You can also expand to different phone models or collaborate with artists and stores to keep growing. Before we get to the next idea, if you haven't subscribed yet, do it right now, and don't forget to like this video. Idea number 10. Personalized gifts. Often, people don't have time to find the perfect gift, and that's where you come in. Creating personalized mugs, keychains, or picture frames with names, phrases, or photos is a simple and creative way to offer gifts that really connect. Custom-made details have special value. They feel unique, thoughtful, and that makes them memorable. You can start with basic tools like a Cricut machine or even hand paint them. No big investment needed. There's constant demand. Birthdays, weddings, anniversaries. There's always a reason to give something meaningful. An online store and good photos on social media help you showcase your work and attract clients. And over time, you can expand your offerings with journals, decorations, or special event sets. Let's go back to the handmade world, but this next idea never goes out of style. Idea number 11. Handmade candles. Candles have been part of human history for thousands of years, and you can still build a business with them. Making candles is about giving life to a jar. Create unique scents, colors, and shapes, from eco-friendly soy candles to eye-catching decorative ones. They're always in demand for relaxation, ambiance, or as gifts. The materials are affordable, and your creative touch is what makes them special. Start selling at fairs or on social media, and then expand. Use large molds, launch themed collections, DIY kits, or workshops. Just like with soaps, it's all about adding your personal style and reaching the right audience. Idea number 12. Fabric accessories. Sew scrunchies, headbands, bags, or face masks using affordable fabrics or recycled scraps. Add unique details or original prints to give them personality. Fabric accessories are trending, and you don't need a big investment to get started. With a focus on handmade and sustainable items, it's easy to connect with an audience that values creativity and low environmental impact. You can begin at fairs or on Etsy and grow step by step, upgrade your equipment, launch seasonal collections, or collaborate with local boutiques. Selling fabrics or patterns is also a great option for those who prefer to make their own accessories. Idea number 13. Homemade food. If cooking is your thing, selling jams, sauces, cookies, or spice mixes can be a delicious way to start a business. What matters is offering unique flavors, the kind you can't find in just any store. Homemade products have a special charm, and you can start right from your kitchen using family recipes or new combinations. Just make sure to follow local regulations. Start by offering them to neighbors, family, and friends. Share the story behind your flavors. Then create a warm brand and offer gift bundles or team up with cafes. When homemade is done right, it has huge potential. Handcrafted products usually have that special touch. And if you agree with me, you're going to love the next idea. Idea number 14. Organic garden food is always in high demand, and if you have a small piece of land, you can use it to grow fruits, vegetables, or herbs without chemicals and sell them in your community. It's a simple way to promote healthy eating and care for the planet. With a minimal investment, some soil, seeds, and time, you can start a garden in your backyard or even in pots. Besides generating income, you'll connect with people who value natural, local, and lovingly grown food. If the project grows, take the next step. Sell at farmers markets, join local agriculture networks, partner with restaurants, or create products like sauces, dried herbs, or pesto. The options are many. All you need is the motivation to start. Idea number 15. Paper products. Stationery is one of those niches that never goes out of style. Even as technology advances, there will always be people who love paper. That's why creating notebooks, cards, or products made from recycled or sustainable paper is a great idea. Add calligraphy, illustrations, or patterns for a unique touch. This kind of handmade stationery is perfect for gifts, weddings, or for those who love writing by hand. Plus, it's an accessible business, affordable materials, and plenty of room to be creative. Start selling at fairs or on Instagram. And when you grow, invest in tools, offer personalized designs, and launch themed collections. You can even host bookbinding workshops and share your process with other stationery lovers. Idea number 16. Bath products. Everyone loves stepping out of the shower smelling good, and some people spend a lot just to get that feeling. That's why making bath bombs, scrubs, or lotions with essential oils, herbs, and other natural ingredients can be a great idea. They're easy and inexpensive to make, but they feel luxurious and special. Plus, you can play with scents, textures, and packaging to make each product unique. Start with small batches and sell them online. Over time, invest in professional molds. Create gift sets for special occasions, or even partner with spas. Another great option is offering monthly subscriptions, sending out new products each time to keep customers interested. Let's move on to the next idea, one that could do a lot for you. Idea number 17. Handmade woodworking. Woodworking is an activity that relaxes, lets you express yourself, and can also become a source of income. If you enjoy working with wood, you can create furniture, toys, or practical items in a small home workshop with just basic tools like a saw and sander. Wood never goes out of style. Every handmade piece shows dedication and has a unique charm. And if you get inspired by all the ideas on YouTube and Pinterest, profits are almost guaranteed. You can start selling your creations online or in local shops. Just make sure to highlight their quality with great photos. Over time, you could invest in better tools, offer custom furniture, teach classes, or expand your catalog with larger, more exclusive handcrafted pieces. Idea number 18. Custom stickers. Everyone loves stickers, no matter the age, and you can take advantage of that passion. Design stickers for laptops, cars, or water bottles, and offer personalized options to make each design truly one of a kind. They're inexpensive to produce, whether using a vinyl cutter or print services, and there's strong demand, from young people to businesses looking to promote themselves. You can create designs with motivational quotes, eye-catching illustrations, or themes that resonate with your audience. Start by selling online and use social media to showcase your style. As you grow, invest in better equipment, take custom orders for special events, and collaborate with artists or local brands to launch exclusive collections and reach more people. Idea number 19. Homemade sauces and seasonings. If you love cooking, this idea might be perfect for you. Make sauces, dressings, pickles, or spice blends using recipes that others may find tedious, but with some dedication you can bring them to life. Food lovers enjoy discovering authentic, original flavors. And with accessible ingredients and your own kitchen, you can reach a broad audience, from foodies to restaurants. Start by selling at nearby neighborhood stores and scale up little by little. Over time, you could rent a commercial kitchen, distribute to retailers, and build a brand with its own identity. Gift sets and subscription boxes are also a great way to maintain interest and customer loyalty. Idea number 20. Handmade crafts. If you love creating with your hands, whether it's knitting, painting, or making pottery, crafts could be for you. Every piece reflects your style and has that special touch people look for when decorating or buying gifts. Start with what you know and accessible materials, letting your creativity shine. Showcase your products at fairs or on social media with great photos and an authentic story. To grow, invest in tools, launch themed collections, or sell kits. You can also teach workshops to share your talent and boost your income. And those are the 20 ideas that can help you start your own business. You just need to discover which one you can stand out in. And go for it. Tell me, which one was your favorite? I'll be reading your comments. Give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and keep exploring. Here are more videos that are sure to inspire you. Click on one, and see you next time.